So sometimes you have to let your dog walk you. She doesn't know what she's doing, but we're just out enjoying the day, thinking about fishing. Wanted to make sure that everybody knew about, come on, Fat. Come on, let's go this way when we get to the poles. Make sure that everybody knows about our holiday special promotion. Guys, it's almost half off. I mean, come on. You know, I blow 40, 50 bucks a day just getting out of the house, you know, just why not? You want to change your life, looking at tracks. Sorry guys, looking at tracks. I'm a hunter at heart. And, you know, even though she's getting old, she still likes to be out and about and check out what's going on. But guys, like I said, you know, we spend more money just out piddling and playing during the day. And I just want y'all to be aware that right now this holiday special, when we started it about 3 days ago, is only 45 days, that it's going to be less than 30 bucks, y'all. If you're talking about, I don't have $50 to get started, I just need to pay it on something else, what you need to do is take advantage of this special, guys. All right? Yeah, it's Sunday. I hope everybody's having a blessed Sunday. But I want y'all to know, I do this any day of the week, whenever I want to, because I was blessed enough to have enough intelligence and faith in myself to invest in myself. So we do what we want, don't we, Fat? Huh? Guys, y'all have a blessed day. I appreciate you. Please like, share, and comment this video. And if I catch a big one, I'll let you know.